So we are at Seoul Station. So Seoul Station is the one and only train station in Seoul. So you don't have to worry about trying to find different ones or connections. So you can go right from the airport to here to the airport, anywhere around. We're going to go to Cheonan. So we are looking at trying to find our train and how to get through here. So let's go check out Seoul Station. Let's say you are already in Seoul and you're looking for the train station. You're going to take an Uber or a taxi or walk, however you want to get here. You'll come out right here. They also have the old train stations right over there. Downstairs is the subway. So up the stairs is the train station. If you like Starbucks, there's one right here. They do have, if you collect the travel mugs, they have 4 different cities. They don't have one specifically for Korea. They got Seoul and like 3 other cities. So you're going to come on into exit and entrance number 1. And from there to the left will be the toilets. And straight down will be a bunch of restaurants, shops, and the platforms. There's going to be a big billboard up there. I'll show you in a minute. And it's going to have all the trains, what platform. Most of it is in Korean. So when you get your ticket, the ticket counters will be to your left. You're going to have to kind of try and just match up the numbers. The numbers are in English, but the names are in Korean. So, good luck. So as soon as you come in to your left, you'll see the symbols for the male and female. There's a couple shops there. Right over here is where you can get the kiosk and desk help to get the tickets that you need to. Let's say you're taking the train in from the airport and you still have a subway ride to your hotel. If you go out exit number 2, down the stairs, down the escalators, you'll find the subway. So here in the center, well, a little bit short of center, is that platform I was telling you about. As you can see, the numbers are in English. They do have some of the cities are in English. I guess it changes. When I was looking at it earlier, it was in Korean. See there. So flip-flops. But that's where you'll find your trains. So 15 minutes before your departure is when it will perform the indication of what platform your train will be on. was a cool little place. They have all kinds of cakes and desserts and croissants and sandwiches and just like all kinds of stuff, salad. So anything you want, you can get it there. So if you want to eat a little healthier than McDonald's, which is next door, you'll have some options. So next to the croissant place is some ATMs. So the ATMs, I pulled out 50,000 won to go from 10,000 up to 1,000,000 won. And you can pick the denominations. It cost me $2.57 as a transaction fee, so an ATM fee. There was no conversion fee for the currency. So if you need some cash and you're coming into the train station, you can hop on over there. They have a library over here too, and a place you can just sit and rest as well. And right across from the ATMs are more lockers. So if you need a locker space, you can do that. If you come in through entrance and exit number 3 on your left, there's going to be a convenience store. So if you need some snacks or anything like that, you can do that. On your right, it's going to be like an electronics store where you can get, just your cell phone covers and things like that there. If you go outside to your right, there's going to be some more restaurants, including a Dunkin' Donuts. So I got a donut. The way you get the donut is you get a tray. You put a piece of paper on the tray. You get your own set of tongs. You pick what you want. You put it on the tray. You take it to the cashier, and they will individually wrap everything for you. So you're not having to try and figure out what to do. They just take care of everything. So it's pretty convenient. I'm going to try it here in a little bit. Got this glazed donut to see how it tastes compared to the States. I can't go in and check and see what it is, but peeking through the window, it looks like it's a department store. Now, the Loteria, I thought it was a casino or something, a lotteria. I guess I've been to Mexico too much, but it's actually more like an American fast food place. You got burgers, chicken sandwiches, things like that in there. So if you're coming in from entrance 1, when you take your first left to the platforms, it'll take you from 8 to downward to your left, 9 higher to your right.